Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu Jain and you are watching Encyclopedia. In this video, we are discussing the question number 2 of question number 1 B, and in this one, this is the MPH 006. So before starting of this question, I want to share something. We providing all type of solutions of any subject of any course. So if you need answers or if you have any doubt in your homework, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is 900 936 8238. You can contact us on this number. We provide all type of solutions within a day. So B question is this: the particle of mass m has a Lagrangian L equal 1 upon mu x square plus y square plus z square minus mgz, where mu is equal to mm upon m plus m. Determine the Routhian and the equation of motion. So this is the question we already the previous in the question number 1A is already discussed in the previous video. So if you need answers of all the questions, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.